Hi guys, I'm Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to today's Amazon haul. So in today's haul, I have some home decor items and some stationery items that I got from Amazon. The stationery items that I've got are for my art journal, so they are pretty interesting and very different. So I really think that you are going to enjoy this video. Now personally, I love watching stationery hauls and home decor hauls because I get a lot of ideas, plus I genuinely enjoy watching these kind of videos because I don't know, I just love seeing beautiful things. So that's why I thought that I should make this video and share with you all these things that I got recently. There are not a lot of things, but just a few things that I got in the last 1.5 months. So I think that you will enjoy this video. If you do, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel. In case you are interested in getting these items, the links of all the products will be given in the description box. So if you want to make a purchase, you can click on the link and buy them. And now without any further delay, let's get into the video, and I really hope that you will enjoy it. Let's start with the home decor items first. So I purchased this set of bonsai wild artificial plants with pots. There are 4 pieces in this set and I am in love with these. The pots are made out of plastic, but the quality is really good. They are very sturdy and they do not look cheap, and I think the plants also look really natural. At least that's what I felt. And the moment I placed them on my desk, everything started to look so much more prettier. If you want to change your setup and if you want to feel more vibrancy and brightness in your environment, I highly recommend getting this set. In terms of size, as you can see that this fits in the palm of my hand, so I highly recommend this set. You should definitely get it if you are looking for some decor pieces. Next, I got this set of glass candles. This is a pack of 6 scented candles. There are 3 variants. The red one is rose, the white one is jasmine, and the purple one is lavender. I must say that the quality of these candles is amazing. The glass is really good quality. It's actually pretty heavy and it feels like the quality is amazing. So it's not at all cheap looking and it doesn't feel cheap at all. It actually feels like really expensive. I got it for 299 rupees, but you can also get it for like 279. Like right now when I'm doing the voiceover, it's up for 279 rupees only. Like it's a deal of the day kind of thing. So keep it in your wish list if you want to, and then purchase it when the price goes down. And by the way, the scent is pretty strong. You light it for 5 minutes and your desk area will completely immerse in the fragrance. So I think that's great. So overall, for the price, I think this set is really good. The quality, the glass, the scent and the candle itself, it looks very nice and very classy. Next, I got this LED tabletop bonsai tree light lamp, and this is my most favorite item out of this entire haul. So this is like both battery operated, or you can also use like a USB operator. So it's pretty flexible that way, and like I don't have enough words to express how much I love this one. The light is so warm and it's so magical, and it has a touchpad. So you just have to touch this power button and it will turn on. So I think that's really cool. So overall, I think this is definitely worth the price, and if you want to gift someone something amazing, then this is definitely a great option. Alright, so moving on to the stationery items. The first one is this set of washi tapes. So this is like a Galaxy Little Prince themed washi tape set, and they have also provided these stickers. These have this golden foiling kind of thing, and it's so pretty. It's in the purple color family. These stickers are absolutely aesthetic, and they are kind of translucent, so when you stick them on your bullet journal paper, it will look really vibrant. Then I got this set, which is like a red themed washi tape set. These are in the floral kind of design, and again, I love these. There are 4 plain colors as well, so yeah, pretty beautiful. These are the swatches of all the washi tapes. I think they are so pretty and I'm so excited to use them. I have already used some of them, and I'll show you my art journal in the end after showing you all the stationery items. Next I got this set of really thin washi tapes. These almost look like bangles, like colorful rainbow bangles, but these are not bangles, these are actually washi tapes, and these are in all the colors, like from white to black. I won't lie, when I ordered it I thought that it would be a little big, like these are very small I feel. Next I got this sticker set. So there are 55 pieces of stickers in this one. So this is specifically for journaling and for your scrapbook. So there are total 55 pieces in this one. Some of them are like bigger and the rest are small stickers. So again, these are very aesthetic. I have already used 3 out of these in my grid decoration video. So if you have not watched that, please do watch that. So again, these are kind of translucent, and when you put it on the paper, it looks so bright and so aesthetic. The small ones have a sticker on, so you just have to peel it off and then stick it. The bigger ones do not come with glue, so you have to stick them with a glue stick. So overall, I'm really in love with this. This is another set of stickers. So these are vintage stickers, as you can see by the designs. I love these stickers. I think these will go with every journal spread. Vintage theme is one of my favorites, and I cannot wait to like create so many art journal spreads. I will show you my art journal in a while and you will see how I have used these. There are so many designs in this one and I love each one of them. Some are colorful while others are just plain vintage designs, and amazing. I love this and I highly recommend it. There were some other themes in this one as well. I got the one in the theme old times. There are other designs as well, like the fairy tale one, the Wizard of Oz, vintage flowers. So there are multiple designs in this sticker set, so you can choose any one you want. Next I got 2 sets of stamps. These are alphabet stamps, and I think this is like amazing for those who think that they don't have a good handwriting and they want to make their art journal spreads look really aesthetic. So for them this is great. By the way, if not for art journaling, you can also use these for your projects and assignment as well, like the one where you have to write everything on paper. You can use these for your headlines. Of course you have to be precise when you are stamping. You get a tiny box of ink pad, and then you get these separate alphabets. These are wooden, by the way, and these are pretty good. You just have to be a little precise when you are stamping so that you don't get the edges on the paper. And I think these are actually really good quality. So I got one in uppercase letters and the other one in lowercase letters. So this is one of my art journal spreads where I used the sticker from that first washi tape set I showed you. And I used the stamp over here like this. I think the stamp makes everything look so nice. And these are the small stickers from that sticker set. I used it like this, but if you put it on a plain white background also, that will look very nice. And this is the sticker from the other sticker set, the vintage one. As you can see, it looks so nice and it just brings such a vintage vibe out of this whole thing. So I highly recommend these stationery items. I think they are definitely worth it. And lastly, I got some photo clips. So you must have seen me use these clips in my grid decor video. The link of that video will be in the description box. So if you want to do any DIY thing, if you want to clip photos or anything, you can use these. Alright guys, so those were all the things that I got this time, and if you are interested in seeing how I use these things in my videos, then definitely click on the subscribe button and also on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications. You can also follow me on Instagram. I keep posting my art journal pictures there. So my Instagram handle goes by the name book_junction. And yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.